Worth it ba talaga yung hip replacement? Majority of the patients are happy, and I will say that 98% po yung success ng hip replacement. So, I do say na 2% baka hindi happy, no? If 98% yung chance of success, hindi 100%, meron talagang mga nagsisisi siguro kaysa sa hindi sila makalakad, sobrang in pain at hindi na nila magawa yung mga things with their family and friends. Question number 19. Pwede ba, Doc, makadrive or pwede bang mag-drive ng motorsiklo? Kailan makakabalik sa pagmamaneho? For car, usually it's around 6 weeks, 4 to 6 weeks. Pag motorcycle, kasi kailangan mo ng more balance. So, tinitingnan natin maganda na ba yung balance ng patient. And of course, once you have the good balance, you can get back to the motorcycle. And I think this is the last question. Doc, ilang araw usually ba sa hospital? So, yung tanong ay magtatagal po ba ako sa hospital? Usually, it's around 2 to 4 days, sometimes 5 days. In other cases, after surgery, the day after, nakakauwi na yung ibang patients. Minsan, same-day discharge in different countries na may may outpatient na joint replacement. So, hindi na gaya ng dati na sobrang sakit yung mga techniques natin. May minimally invasive hip replacement na, may mga anterior hip replacement na po. So, hindi kayo magtatagal sa hospital.